Hello, welcome to Quick Thai Learn. Today, we're tackling a surprisingly tricky topic, saying yes and no in Thai. You might think,
ใช่
means yes and
ไม่
means no, and you'd be partly right, but in real Thai conversation, it's not that simple. In Thai, you often don't use a single word for yes or no at all. Instead, you answer with verbs, repeat words from the question, or use polite particles. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. Most beginners learn
ใช่ ใช่
as yes and
ไม่ใช่ ไม่ใช่
as no. These literally mean correct and not correct.
ใช่
Means yes, that's right. It is used to agree that something is true or correct.
ไม่ใช่
Means no, that's not right. It literally negates.
ใช่
Meaning not correct. When do we use these? Mainly for confirming facts or identities. Let's look at this example.
นี่เธอใช่ไหม นี่เธอใช่ไหม นี่เธอใช่ไหม
It means, is this you? Literally, this you, right? Now to answer. If it's true, you say,
ใช่
yes, that's right. If it's not, say,
ไม่ใช่
no, that's not right. These are natural answers when the question is about confirming something. Let's try another one.
เขามาจากอังกฤษใช่ไหม เขามาจากอังกฤษใช่ไหม เขามาจากอังกฤษใช่ไหม
It means, he's from England, right? Now for the answers.
ใช่ เขามาจากอังกฤษ ใช่ เขามาจากอังกฤษ
Yes, that's correct. He's from England. Or if it's wrong,
ไม่ใช่ เขามาจากออสเตรเลีย
no, that's not correct. He's from Australia. On their own.
ใช่
And
ไม่ใช่
can sound a bit blunt. Often, Thais add polite particles.
ครับ
For men.
ค่ะ
For women. After these for politeness. For example, a woman might say,
ใช่ค่ะ ใช่ค่ะ
or,
ไม่ใช่ค่ะ
to sound polite. Here's the big difference. Thai people rarely reply with a single yes or no like English. Instead, they echo the verb or adjective from the question for yes or negate it with
ไม่
for no. In other words, you answer with the action or description itself. This is super important for sounding natural. Let's see a simple example.
หิวข้าวไหม หิวข้าวไหม
Means, are you hungry?
หิว หิว
Hungry, adjective.
ข้าว ข้าว
Rice, here meaning food. Thais often use eat rice to mean any meal.
ไหม ไหม
Question particle for yes, no. Now here's how to answer it. In Thai, we don't say yes or no like in English. We repeat the word from the question. So, to say, yes, I'm hungry, just say,
หิว
and to say no, I'm not hungry.
ไม่หิว
Let's try one more.
คุณชอบกาแฟไหม คุณชอบกาแฟไหม
Means, do you like coffee? How do we answer? Yes, I like coffee. Just say,
ชอบ ชอบ
repeat the word from the question. And to say no, I don't like coffee, say,
ไม่ชอบ ไม่ชอบ
Let's learn more Thai yes-no questions, this time with some real-life examples.
ประเทศไทยร้อนไหม ประเทศไทยร้อนไหม
Means, is Thailand hot? To say, yes, it's hot.
ร้อน ร้อน
And to say no, it's not hot.
ไม่ร้อน ไม่ร้อน อยากไปดูหนังไหม อยากไปดูหนังไหม อยากไปดูหนังไหม
Means, do you want to go see a movie? If the answer is yes, I want to, Just say.
อยาก อยาก
If the answer is no, I don't want to. Say.
ไม่อยาก
In Thai, you often don't say I or you in your answer. It's already understood from the question. And if you want to be polite, you can add
ครับ
if you're male and
ค่ะ
if you're female. So you could say
อยากครับ อยากครับ
means yes, I'd like to.
ไม่อยากค่ะ ไม่อยากค่ะ
No, I don't want to. This makes your answer sound friendly and polite, just like a native speaker. So far, we've seen how Thai people answer by repeating the verb. But here's something even more interesting. Sometimes, Thai people don't repeat anything at all. They answer with just one word.
ครับ
Or.
ค่ะ
And it still means yes. Most learners think of them only as politeness markers. But in real conversations, they can be full answers on their own. Want to hear how that sounds in real life? Let's say your friend asks you,
ไปเที่ยวไหม ไปเที่ยวไหม ไปเที่ยวไหม
it means, want to go hang out? Now, instead of repeating the verb,
ไป ไป
means to go, you can simply say,
ครับ
if you're male, or
ค่ะ
if you're female. And that's it. It's a friendly, respectful way to say, yes, let's do it. This works really well when the question is short and clear. You're not skipping the verb, it's just understood from the context. Let's look at one more real-life example.
คุณมาจากออสเตรเลียเหรอ คุณมาจากออสเตรเลียเหรอ
Means, you're from Australia, is that so?
มาจาก มาจาก
Means, come from.
เหรอ เหรอ
Question word like really or is that so? Now look at the answer. You don't need to repeat the sentence. Just say
ค่ะ
or.
ครับ
That's it. It means, yes, that's right. A polite, short, and natural way to agree. And that wraps up this part of how to say yes and no in Thai. But there's more to learn. In the next video, we'll look at even more ways to say yes and no in Thai. If this video helps you learn Thai more clearly, please give it a like, it really supports the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, so you never miss a chance to speak Thai more naturally. See you next time.